Yes, that's right. You can use ChatGPT to make money on YouTube on different ways. I'm gonna talk about the different ways. You don't even have to show your face. You're probably already familiar with this concept. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I have this YouTube channel showing my face, but then also I have other YouTube channels and other things, other profiles and accounts where I don't show my face. And it's easier than you think, okay? My name is Ramon Polo, this is Remotable, and let's get to this video. So yeah, first let's talk about the different ways to monetize YouTube. You can get to the monetization part, which I'm very excited about. I just got 2 YouTube channels in this phase of monetization where you get paid for every view that you get on the channel. So you need 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 hours watched of your videos to be able to get paid for the advertising that shows on your videos, and you get paid per view, per 1,000 views or per view basically. And that's where YouTube and Google pays you because people are gonna be showing their ads on your videos. So then YouTube and Facebook are gonna pay you most of that money rather than the ad revenue. And it depends on your niche. You can get like $40 per 1,000 views, $2 per 1,000 views, depending on your needs. If you're in the finances, in the financial niche or health niche, those pay more per view. But then if you're in entertainment niche where they don't pay as much, it's gonna be less. Now, this is one way to get paid. Also, another way to get paid is through affiliate marketing, which I love too. I make sales consistently on YouTube too with affiliate products, where it's products that you don't even need to own. You don't have to do customer service or nothing. You just promote them and you get paid a commission. You can do the affiliate products, more like digital products that you can find on ClickBank, the typical, right? ClickBank or Digistore24. There's also other affiliate networks and everything. But yeah, these are some of the ways to get paid. Also, Amazon has the affiliate network, of course. You can promote Amazon products and get paid a commission too. There's many other affiliate networks and websites, big websites, where you can get paid. And then also there's the brand deals, of course. You can post ads and sponsorships, all that on your videos, on your channel. Many different ways to get paid. But now let's get to the part where we show you how you can do this with AI. And within these methods of monetization, you can either show your face or not. So if you're gonna show your face, I mean, it's kinda easier, but also it's tougher. So I mean, the videos are easier to make and all that, but then also you have to be there more consistently. You have to be on the camera consistently and talk consistently. So if you like to talk on a regular basis, be on the camera and all that, and you're more outgoing, then yeah, you can do the show your face. But also if you want to do something with a show your face, or both, like I do both. I have this channel where I show my face, but then there's also all the channels where I don't show my face, which is pretty convenient because you can just it's not as time consuming, and you can just set up the content once and schedule them all at once in bulk, all that stuff. You can outsource it better. You can have people making videos for you, like I do. I have a channel where they're making the videos and all that stuff. But yeah, so that's the way to do it. And then some tools that you can use for AI, of course, ChatGPT is basic. It can help you so much. It can help you by getting ideas. You can ask ChatGPT, I have this niche, give me ideas about content that I can create about this. Also for ideas, especially for YouTube, I highly recommend you vidIQ. You can find it right below. And with this tool, with vidIQ, it's gonna show you the keywords, the competition, search volume for the keyword. It's also gonna give you ideas for that keyword, so you're never gonna run out of ideas. Also shows you ways to monetize and to optimize your channel. It helps you keep track of your competitors, see what's trending, what's not. I mean, this tool is pretty amazing. You can learn more right below. I use it every single day for my YouTube business. And then to create like titles and descriptions and stuff, yeah, vidIQ creates titles and descriptions too with AI, but I still like better ChatGPT. That's how you can do it. And or even Perplexity. I like perplexity a lot. It's like a ChatGPT, but a little bit more advanced. But yeah, this is how you can use ChatGPT to get the titles. You just tell ChatGPT the idea of the video or the keyword of the video, and it's going to create the title. It's going to create also the description, and then for the tags to put on the tag section, vidIQ is the way to go. You can search for the tags. I mean, I wouldn't be too hung up on the tags. Yes, it can help you optimize your video, but don't obsess over it. But yeah, vidIQ can help you a lot with the tags to put on there. It's gonna help you with that. Also, rapid tags. If you go to rapid tags, Google rapid tags generator, and you can put the title of the video, and it's gonna give you the best titles right there automatically with one click in 1 second, and you can add those tags into that section as well. Now, that's if you wanna show your face. Of course, you're gonna record yourself like this, and then you can edit it. I like CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is really good. I love it. Canva, I use Canva too for short form videos as well. Very easy to use too for bulk creation. Many ways to do it. And then also, if you don't want to show your face, I like Flicky, and you can find the link below. I made a review about it also, and every time it's better and better. I think it's the best video generator, the best AI video generator on the market everywhere. Like, so easy to use, so fast, and you just give them the idea or give them the script that you can generate with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will get you the transcript and the script, and then you put it on there on Flicky, and it will get you the video like instantly within a few minutes. It's going to give you the stock footage. You can ask them to use videos or pictures from stock, or the software will also generate AI images for you from scratch. It's pretty powerful. It does it super fast. It also adds subtitles, captions, voiceover, the voiceover that you want, the language that you want. I mean, it's pretty amazing. And you're going to start from an idea where you can just give them the keyword, and it will generate all the script and everything from scratch. You can give them the script if you want, or you can give them an article, a blog post that you find online, or a PowerPoint or a tweet. I mean, it's very powerful. You can do short form videos and also long form videos for YouTube. It's really powerful. That you can check it right below. There's also a review that I put there, so you can see how powerful it is. And this is it. Then the keyword. Once you find the keyword in vidIQ, especially for vidIQ, really important, you gotta focus on the keyword. You gotta make sure that the keyword goes on the title, the description, and the tag section, and you can build backlinks with that as well. Very important to optimize it for SEO, and then you just keep posting on a regular basis. Long form video and short form video as well. You can create really easy and really straightforward. With tools, with Flicky, or with Canva, or with CapCut. And if you need a voiceover, if you don't want Flicky, you can use 11 Labs, and that's how you add the AI voiceover. You can clone your own voice on Flicky, but also 11 Labs. There's many ways to do it, and then you just keep posting it on a regular basis, and you analyze what is the topic that is doing the best, what videos are doing the best, and like that. So for example, in this channel that you're right here right now, I found out, my mentor and I found out that AI was the topic to go, that it was getting the most traction. So what did I do? I'm doubling down on AI, and my views are increasing, my subscribers are increasing, and all that. Same thing with my other channels and my other social media accounts that I use. I analyze, I post, and then I analyze what is doing good, and then I can double down on the topic. The worst thing that you can do is just spend a bunch of hours and hours and hours of your life to create a bunch of content for an entire month, and then find out that first few days or the first week or two, you find out that the topic that is doing good is something that you're not talking about in the remaining of the month, and that's gonna be a waste. So do it little by little and analyze as you go. Now, of course, there's a bigger training about this. There's more concepts and many other things to talk about. So I highly recommend you to go and subscribe right below on the link. There's a link right there where you can learn more about YouTube marketing and AI marketing is just extra free training for you, where you can just register, just put your email address. That's all I ask. Just like this video and then just put your email address, and I will send you automatically extra training, free training about YouTube. I promise you, you're gonna learn. It's not just a stupid search video that everybody tells you, oh yeah, click below and you will see this training, blah, blah. It's a sales pitch. No, this is a gift, free training, part of the training that I pay good money, okay? I got part of that, and I'm gonna show it to you right there, and you can learn right there and then about YouTube marketing and AI and how to leverage YouTube to grow your business or to start a business from scratch or whatever you want to do. You can use these concepts. You're gonna learn, okay? I promise you, I guarantee you that you're gonna learn something there. All right, so if you want to learn more about that, just check it out below, and hope to see you again soon. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about AI, about YouTube marketing, and how to monetize your passion, and more things coming your way. And also check out this video right here, because that's what YouTube's recommending you to watch. Ramon Polo, by the way, I'm Ramon Polo from Remotable. Take care.